Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. How about you join the Crownz Squad by hitting the subscribe button and hitting that little bell next to it so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And for my returning subscribers, welcome. I'm always glad you're here. So if you want to know more about this look, stay tuned.
It's a bad man tonight. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Okay guys, so today's review is gonna be on this babe right here, and it's the Outre Melted Hairline in the style Seraphine. That's a pretty name. I like the name Seraphine, but I got it in the color DR2/ginger brown, and the melted hairline from Outre is like, it has a HD transparent lace right on the card, and it's heat safe up to 400 degrees. And on the back there's like all these nice colors that you can get. Look at that. Oh, look at that cherry red. But I got this from Elevate Style for $38. If you get it in like the natural color, it's $37, which is it's a little high, but we'll see if she's worth it. We'll see if she's worth the price. But look at that. You know, she reminds me of Kamaya. When I saw her when it was released and I saw it on the website, I was like, that looks like Kamaya baby sister. But whatever. But yeah, this is what Seraphine looks like. Look at that ginger brown color, sis. Oh, I'm already biased because I love the colors, but we gotta keep mutual. We gotta be mutual because we won't know what she packing. But for cap construction, it comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps, and it has the strap, the elastic band, which is nice because it makes it easier to lay down without melting it down. So that is pretty nice. This is the parting space, which is a little tight. It's a little tight, and it has baby hair. But yeah, that's about it. We about to put her on and see what she looking like. Okay. I'm like, Outre, why did you have to give us all this extra lace? Like, I'm sorry, I just find that funny. It's like, okay, I guess, you know, this is a look too. But this is the hairline, which, let me put this stuff, I can't see. This is the hairline, which is not bad. It is ear to ear. It's past my ear, so it's gonna be big hair friendly. And I love, like, even though I have my whip grip on, it feels comfortable. It feels comfortable. All that extra lace is just all up in my space. Like, I don't need you all up in my space. Sorry. But I love the curls. Like, look at it. You see that? Oh, look at the color. She long. She long. I was about to fall. I'm like standing on my stool, but she long. She's stopping me almost by my, she's stopping me by my waist. But your girl was about to fall. She was about to fall. But yeah, I love her. Let me see. I'm getting like few strands here and there, which is expected with synthetic wigs and the colored ones. Yeah, she's she's shedding. She is shedding, and sis, you definitely gonna have to go around with a paddle brush or whatever, just cause she gonna tangle. Like, I'm 5'4" and a half. The half counts. Trust me, it counts. And she's stopping me on my waist. that is too long. So she's definitely gonna tangle over time because that's too much hair rubbing on my clothes, and that friction is just like, yeah, no. But I'm gonna cut the lace, so stay tuned and see how I style her.
Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. Moon is rising and the stars are coming out, but we're missing 'cause we're way down on the ground. Ain't nobody interrupting if we decide. I just need a night with you, baby. Yeah. Then we be blinded by the lights, oh. We get this feeling, oh so right, oh so right, oh. I'm so over.
Okay, so this is what Seraphine looks like. I was about to say Kamaya, but this ain't Kamaya. But this is what she looks like. This is the parting space, which I think is not bad. And this the hairline. I did not melt it down. I put glue in like the front just so that part is like down. But other than that, she is tangling, y'all. Like the tangles is out of this world. But I love the curls. She's long, so that's why she's tangling. But I love the style, you know. I just love the style. And the texture, it's not silky, but it's like a light silky texture, but it's not like silky, and it's not yucky. So, and it's definitely, as you can see, it's definitely ear to ear. And I love that, like, the stuff comes all the way down here. So for people who has like a low hairline, they can be able to like put it down. But yeah, I mean, for $38, do I think she's worth it? I mean, to me, I don't know. I mean, the style is good. The color is bomb. And I love the curls. I mean, it's long. I want to cut it. But I am not going to cut it. So yeah, but I think if she was like $35, I think she'll be worth it. And she's tangling like crazy, so I don't know. But Outre, you did your thing. I love the color. But I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what she looks like all around.
Over being sober, yeah, all I know. I just need a night with you. Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love.
But yeah, so let's talk about Seraphine in the comment section. And y'all, so I have been thinking about like listing my units on Mercari to sell them, because your girl got way too much wigs, and they gotta go. So I mean, just let me know what you think. Will you purchase some? You know, support your girl out so I can support the channel, because you know I ain't getting sponsored like that. So it'd be nice if I sell these wigs and have more revenue and be able to buy some new wigs, because for the rest of the year I'm on a no buy. I got some wigs that I need to review, so they're a little older, but I'm on a no buy. We ain't buying no more wigs. Outre, don't come up with something that's gonna tempt me, because I know you're gonna release stuff before the year is over. But we'll see how my no buy goes. Okay, but yeah, so I'm going, let me know, you know, me selling my wigs on Macari. But yeah, I'm gonna start rumbling, and make sure you follow me on Instagram at Love Your Crowns, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
It's a bad man.